Here's how to change edit access in a sheet. We want to be collaborative. We want to allow editors or people at our company to come and edit our sheet. So here's how to do it. You can see that no one is available to see the sheet or edit the sheet because over in the top right corner, it says share and has a lock, and when I hover over it, it says private only to me. I can copy this link, but it's still going to be private to me. I need to share it first. Click on that share button, and now I can add people by their email address here. I need to select editor. It's actually selected already for me. If you want to add them as a commenter or viewer so they can't actually edit any cells, you can do that here. Just select editor or viewer or commenter. You can add an expiration as well, and you can send a message. This message is going to be sent to them. You could also not notify people if you want to uncheck this notify people, and it'll just add them as an editor but not notify them. But we'll notify them and say, hey, there is the sheet you wanted to edit. Thank you. Click send. It'll ask you if someone is external to your organization. It'll ask you, is this okay? Share anyway. And it'll show you access updated up here. You can also see that the lock icon in the top right corner changed to a couple of people, and it says shared with me. You can click on that share button and you can see the other people who are editing or viewing. You can also change their access here by selecting editor and clicking viewer or commentator, but you do have to click save in order to save that edit access. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.